It might be chilly right now, but a great way to beat the winter blues is to look to the future and think of all the gorgeous flower planters you can plan ahead. Keeping planters overflowing with gorgeous annuals is a great way to add color and interest to your front entrance, back patio, or anywhere in the home that you feel could use a burst of fresh color and vibrance. This lush garden entrance was designed by Ross and features thrillers, fillers, and spillers, three of the main things that we like to incorporate into our garden planters. We always like to plant in layers, using a thriller, something big and showy as a focal point, filler, different colors and textures to really catch the eye, and spiller, something to spill over the sides and really soften the look of the overall planter.
What I love about this planter are the beautiful complementary colors of all the plants. The yellow of this beautiful zinnia, the striking fuchsia of the verbena here, and this wonderful silver of the Dichondra Falls.
Here we are at the entrance to the garden center with one of our most spectacular planters. This is another converted fountain. Now this one's a 2-tier, so it gives you multiple heights for your imagination to just go wild. Do whatever you want in your planters, just have fun with it and let your mind be free.
Planting with a mixture of summer and fall annuals is a great way to seamlessly blend your planter through the seasons. And like Joe said, you can get creative, swapping out the more tropical annuals with more fall annuals.
Now, while you certainly can use all annuals or even perennials in your planters, sometimes it's good to have an evergreen focal point that'll transition with you through the seasons, and then you fill it with flowers underneath to create your color.
Here we have another one of our beautiful planters at Bountiful Gardens, but what makes this one so lovely is the added element of the evergreen boxwood in the center. Some of the beautiful plants in this planter that make it so stunning include this multi-toned lantana, this beautiful pink vinca, the yellow chartreuse creeping jenny, as well as this multi-toned petunia. And if you don't want to plant in a pot, you can always throw some seed on the ground or plant some seedlings like we did here.
As Joe was saying, using an evergreen as a thriller is a great way to make sure that your planter maintains its appeal even in the colder months. You can even dress it up for the holidays, as we often do for our planters. And when it comes to planter placement, there's no limit on where you can put them. As long as you can water it, your planter will thrive. And once spring finally arrives, you can head over in early March for plenty of pansies, ranunculus, primrose, and so many other early season annuals to start the cycle all over again. We hope this video inspires you and gets you excited for all the amazing planters you can make no matter the time of year. As always, if you like this video, be sure to like it down below and leave a comment if you had any questions or suggestions for videos in the future. And of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos just like this. Thanks, and happy planting.